Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Today, my group and I want to discuss about reading understanding 3. The title of the text is Normal Pregnant is characterized by systemic activation of the complement system. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Aisyah. As moderator in this group, they are Srinulailawati, Najwa Salsabila Azkia, Selina Yustianti Rahma, and Aulia Sahrani Jahra. Okay, now I explain kind of abstract. There are underground, method, result, and calculation. The first part is going to be explained by Najwa Salsabila. Time and place is yours.
Good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Nazwa. Now I try to explain about paragraph of abstract. We can see in our picture. Backgrounds. The complement system, a major component of innate immunity, has recently been implicated in the mechanism of fetal loss and placental inflammation in the antiphospholipid antibody syndrome. Inhibition of complement has been proposed and as absolute requirement for normal pregnancy. Yet pregnancy is characterized by a generalized activation of the innate immune system. This study was conducted to determine whether or not normal pregnancy is associated with complement activation in the maternal circulation. Method: anaphylactocin, C3A, C4A, and C5A were determined in the plasma of normal pregnant 20 to 4 weeks and is equal 103 and non-pregnant woman and is equal 40. This complement split product C3A, C4A, and C5A were measured using specific immunoassays. No parametric statistics were used for analysis.
Okay, thank you, Najwa. The next part is going to be explained by Srinulailawati. Time and place is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Rina Lailawati. Now I try to explain about the paragraph of abstract. The paragraph of abstract is result. The median plasma concentrations of C3A, C4A, and C5A were significantly higher in normal pregnant women than in non-pregnant women, all P less than 0.001 to the concentrations of C3A, C4A, and C5A didn't change with gestational age. P more than 0.05 and 3, the median plasma concentrations of C3A had a positive correlations with the plasma C4A and C5A concentrations. R is equal 0.36, P less than 0.001, and R is equal 0.35, P less than 0.001 respectively. So, conclusions. Normal human pregnancy is associated with evidence of complement activations as determined by higher concentrations of the anaphylatoxin C3A, C4A, and C5A in the maternal circulations. And two, we propose that physiologic activations of the complement system during pregnancy is a compensatory mechanism and protects the host against infections. Thank you.
Okay, part is going to be explained by Selina. Time and place is yours.
Good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Selina. Now I try to explain about the question and answer. 1. How is pregnancy characterized? Pregnancy is characterized by generalized activation of the innate immune system. There's in the first paragraph on 4th line. 2. What was the purpose of this study? This study was conducted to determine whether or not normal pregnancy is associated with complement activation in the maternal circulation. There's in first paragraph on 5 lines. 3. What is the conclusion of study? Normal human pregnancy is associated with evidence of complement activation as determined by higher concentration of the anaphylatoxin C3A, C4A, and C5A in the maternal circulation. And 2, we propose that physiological activation on the complement system during pregnancy is a compensatory mechanism aimed at protecting the host against infections. There's in 4 paragraphs. 4. We propose that physiological activation. What does the underlined word refer to? The underlined word refer to the normal human pregnancy. There's in 4 paragraphs on the 4th line. 5. The study was conducted to determine whether normal pregnancy. What is the similar meaning of the underlined word? The similar meaning of the study is learned education and academic work. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Selina. The next part is going to be explained by Aulia Shahrani. Theme and pledge is yours.
Thank you, moderator. My name is Aulia. Now I try to explain about the vocabulary. Innate immunity, imun bawaan atau kekebalan tubuh. Placental inflammation, peradangan plasenta. Peradangan plasenta biasanya sekunderi. Infeksi pada membran mereka adalah akibat dari persalinan lama atau pecahnya ketuban dalam waktu lama. Antiphospholipid. Antiphospholipid adalah sekumpulan gejala yang terjadi akibat sistem kekebalan tubuh menyerang senyawa lemak tubuh yang disebut fosfolipid. Antibody syndrome. Sindrom antibody adalah gangguan pada sistem pembekuan darah yang dapat menyebabkan trombosis pada arteri dan vena serta dapat menyebabkan gangguan pada kehamilan yang berujung pada keguguran. Complement activation. Aktivasi komplement adalah protein dalam serum darah yang bereaksi berjenjang sebagai enzim untuk membantu sistem kekebalan seluler dan sistem kekebalan humoral untuk melindungi tubuh dari infeksi. Maternal circulation, sirkulasi ibu. Anafilatoxin, gestational age, usia kehamilan. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Aulia. The discussion has been finished. Now I would like to confirm the conclusion of the text. It can be concluded that normal human pregnancy is a occasion with evidence of complement activation as determined by higher concentration of the anaphylatoxin C3E, C4E, and C5E in the maternal circulation. 2. We propose that physiologic activation of the complement system during pregnancy is a compensatory mechanism aimed at protecting the host against infection. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.